So hello guys, welcome back to NabLab. Today we're gonna install the Arduino IDE and we're gonna learn about the basics of Arduino. So Arduino is basically a microcontroller which can be programmed to do a specific task or multiple tasks at the same time. It's a really helpful device. Many hobbyists have Arduino for their projects and it can do very interesting things with it. If we have the right sensor and modules, we can do many interesting things with it. So let's first install the Arduino IDE. So just open up a browser. Anyone, I am using the Microsoft Edge. Then type in Arduino IDE, and then we will have click on the site that comes first. Click on it. It's a site named arduino.cc. It's the official site of Arduino, and from here you can see the download options. We have Windows 7 and newer. For Linux there are many Linux software, and for Mac OS there is this software right here. So in my system it's a Windows, so I'm gonna install Windows. So if you want to donate or contribute some money, you could just contribute, or just you want to download, just click here, just download, and the download will start. So we'll continue after the download.
A few moments later.
So the software has been downloaded. We can install it now. So it's right here. Double click on it. You can see a window like this. Click yes. And these are the terms and conditions of installing the software. If you want to read it, you could just read it, or just click I agree. And this is a page for installing the drivers you want. You need all of it, and just click next and click install. So when I'm installing, let's learn about what's an Arduino. This is an Arduino. To be exact, it's an Arduino Uno, and there are many other variants of this Arduino, like Arduino Lilypad, Arduino Pro Mini, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega. There are different variants with different powers and capabilities. And the thing you see right here, it's the brain of this Arduino board. It's called an Atmega 328P chip. It's a microcontroller. It controls basically everything in this board, and we could program it and do whatever we want with it. And this is the place where we connect the cable for uploading the data and things like that. And this is a DC socket. If you wanted to power it from an external source, you could just use this DC socket. And that's pretty much it for the Arduino. This Arduino. Throughout the projects, we're gonna use this thing because it's really helpful and it's easy to use. It's got many pinouts, and as you can see, there are many sockets right here. These are the output pins. And if you look closely, there are digital pins and analog pins. It can be seen right here. It's labeled A1, A2, A3. These are the analog pins, and just with numbers, it's called the digital pins. So if you look closely, there's a sine wave symbol right here with some of the pins. That's because it's a PWM signal pin, because PWM stands for pulse width modulation, and you could use that in many other projects if you want some extra data carriage or something. And that's basically it. This is an Arduino, and that's it. And as you can see, the software has been installed. If you wait a little bit longer, it will get installed. Okay, close it. As you can see, it's installed right here. It's an Arduino. Double click on it, it will open. So this is something that I worked on before. We could just open a new window. Usually when you open it, you could see something like this. We have a setup, void setup, and void loop. Here we can type in all the things, like we can define the pins we want and read and write speed. And for here you can type the codes that you want to go in loops, like you want it to do it continuously. So let's connect our Arduino. So the Arduino is connected. and you must select your board, like go to tools, type your board. So system is in Arduino Uno, so it's right here. Click on Arduino Uno and we enter COM port. You can find it's already selected. It's from, you must select the USB port where you have connected it to be right here. So we have connected, and that's it. We are connected. We are already online, and we can type in. First of all, I'm gonna print hello world. So for that, type in serial.begin. This will begin. This will automatically start the serial monitor, and just define the baud rate as 9600. It's the baud rate, and that's it. The word setup is done. Now we want to print serial.print hello world. So that's it. Now just before uploading we should verify the code. So it's verifying. Save the code first, then it's compiling the sketch, and if it's done compiling and there is no error in our code, it will just show done compiling, and if there is error it will come right here, and we know that it's had some errors. So it's done compiling, so sketch is good, and we can upload it. Sketch is being uploaded, and it's done uploading. So this right here is a serial monitor. Click on it and press on the reset button, and nothing shows up. Oh, sorry. So you must select the baud rate that you gave there, which is 9600. And now yes, it's because we didn't give the correct baud rate, because whatever you give here, it should come right here. So that was the reason. And if you press the reset button on Arduino again, you can see that it's printing again hello world. So that's the use of the reset button. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.